Now these next two examples are going to work just like example 3 that we worked on the last page. Just note, we're going to kind of simplify inflation a little bit, and for our inflation rates, we're going to compound them annually down here for this second one. But both of these are going to work the same way, like I said, that we had before. And so I'm going to let you give these a shot. I am going to write the answers up. That way you'll know if you're getting them right as you're working them. But I would, after I get these up, go ahead and hit pause and see if you can get these two typed in your calculator the right way. When you've tried them, unpause and I'll go over them. All right, coming back from the unpause here. The amount that I want to have is $7,500. My interest rate, you have to be really, really careful with this one. You have to move it 2 decimal places, so it's 0.0072. That can make a difference. Full honesty, the first time I typed it in, I only put 1 0 there, got the wrong answer, I had to go back and redo it. So it's very easy to mess up with that. I want that in 3 years, and we're compounding daily. I'm going to erase the answer so I have some space here. Typing in the parentheses over is going to give me the nasty decimal that I have to keep the whole thing. I can't get rid of it. Some calculators aren't going to go out quite as far. That's okay. If your calculator is the same as mine, 4 or 5 decimal places, then it's going to be good to go. Some of them have some different settings about how many decimal places they're going to go out, but it'll work out in the end. I'm going to divide both sides to get my answer. My final answer, I'm going to round to 2 decimal places. The second one is going to work very similar. This one, we're going back in time. We said 5 years ago. So anytime I tell people that I'm traveling forwards and backwards in time, talking about what I want in the future or what happened in the past, that's where I'm going to use, sorry, I was thinking in my head and wrote the thing, that's where I'm going to use that A. And my interest rate is 0.0244. I'm compounding annually because I said that, and it's 5 years ago. So I'm going to get 6,500 is equal to P, 1 plus 0.0244, and that's just once a year, 1 times 5. I'm going to type in to get my nasty decimal. And then last, I'm going to divide by the nasty decimal. To get my final answer, $5,761.90. Again, 2 decimal places.